Overhauling carburetor fuel system.
Hello, this is Charumati. Today, let's learn about carburetor fuel system, its properties and how to fix them. We check for spark, fuel leak, vacuum leaks and accelerator working. First, it's important to understand a basic carburetor diagram. Then, familiarize yourself with the carburetor parts and their function. Once you have reviewed the diagram and parts, you can work on basic carburetor repair troubleshooting.
Tools, equipment and materials required. Trainees Toolkit 1 number. Screwdriver 1 number. Cleaning fluid. Cotton waste. A petrol vehicle equipped with a carburetor in running condition 1 number. Air enters through the top of the carburetor, or the side, or the bottom, depending upon the carburetor's design, on its way to the intake manifold and eventually the combustion chamber of each cylinder. The carburetor's throat, bow, or barrel is the passage which the air passes through. See the blue arrows in the carburetor diagram below. A necked down section of this passage, narrower in the middle and wider before and after, is called the venturi. As air rushes through this restriction, it speeds up. The change in speed as the air flows through causes the pressure to drop, drawing gasoline through a tiny feed in the side of the venturi. The goal is to atomize the fuel into a fine mist, which mixes with the passing air and continues to the intake manifold. Once air and fuel move through the venturi, they encounter another obstacle called the throttle plate, a disc that opens and closes to control the amount of air entering the engine. The throttle plate is a part that moves when you press your foot on the accelerator pedal. The carburetor does the rest with different tube sizes and the presence or absence of a vacuum created by changes in pressure. If the carburetor parts are working the way they should, the ideal ratio of air to fuel for efficiency, by weight, is 14.7:1. The rate and ratio that fuel and air enter the engine depends upon what the driver wants from the engine. Let's start the experiment. Get the fuel to spark. To check fuel delivery, remove the fuel line where it enters the carburetor and use a length of rubber hose to direct the flow into a bottle or similar container. Fuel should pulse out in strong spurts if your engine has a mechanical fuel pump. Dispose of it in a flame-proof container when you no longer need it. To check for a spark, crank the engine with a spark plug wire, pulled and grounded to the engine block with a screwdriver or a piece of metal. At 1/16 to 3/32 inches, you should see a blue spark between the metal and the block. Note, do not touch the metal, or you'll feel an uncomfortable jolt. Check for vacuum leaks. First, look for cracked or disconnected hoses. With the engine running, spray starting fluid around the base of the carburetor and intake manifold. If the engine speeds up a little, you likely have a leak near the last place you sprayed the fluid and will have to fix it. Cracks will need repairing, and if the base of the carburetor, where it mates with the intake manifold, is warped, it may be time for a new or professionally rebuilt one. Make sure the accelerator pump works. With the engine off, look into the carburetor's throat and work the throttle linkage by hand. Does a fine spray fan out near the top of the throat? If so, The accelerator pump is probably doing what it's supposed to be doing. If not, or if it drips or dribbles, the seals inside the pump may have deteriorated and need replacement. Checking for spindle wear. A worn or loose spindle can cause the throttle butterfly plate not to seat properly. The illustrations show where the spindle ends are located on the most common types of single carburetor. Before tuning, check that the spindle ends are not loose so that the butterfly wobbles, or too tight so that it sticks.
Recap. Till now we have learned carburetor fuel system, its properties, how to fix carburetor fuel system, check for spark, fuel leak and vacuum leaks, accelerator working. Thus, we have learned fixing and adjusting carburetor fuel system. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.